Welcome to Career Campus Pro YouTube channel. My name is Kiran Baburaj. In this video, we will deep dive into SQL Operators, the essential tool that power every database query and data manipulation task. Let's start with arithmetic operators, the mathematical tools that you will use constantly in your queries. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division work just as you would expect from basic math. The plus sign adds the values, minus subtract them, asterisk multiplies, and forward slash divides. The modulus operator, represented by the percentage sign, gives the remainder after addition. Next is comparison operators, the heart of filtering data in your word clauses. The equal sign checks for the exact matches, while the null safe equals operator handles null values correctly. Not equal can be written with either not equal sign or exclamation equals. Greater than and less than operators works just like in math, including their less than or equal to or greater than or equal to variations. And for the range comparisons, between is the cleaner than using multiple conditions. Logical operators combine conditions for powerful filtering capabilities. The operator AND requires both conditions to be true, and the OR operator is satisfied when either condition is true, and not inverts a condition, turning true to false and vice versa. The is null or is not null operator specifically handles the null values, which behave differently than regular values in SQL. And the exist checks whether a subquery returns any result at all, a powerful tool for correlated subqueries. Let's see the operators in action with a practical example. This query finds the employee with salaries between $50,000 and $100,000 who work in either IT or HR departments, were hired after the January 2020 and have an assigned manager. Notice how we combine the comparison operators with logical operator to create a precise filter. This is how the SQL allow you to craft the exact condition you need to find your target. Moving on to some special operator. The contains operator checks if one array, JSON object or range contains another. The contained by operator reverses this check. These are invaluable when working with complex data types. For text processing, the case insensitive regex match operator combines regular expressions with case flexibility. The concatenation operator joins array or strings together. The JSON operators like any, key, exist allow you to query inside JSON structures without extracting them first. A huge performance boost. Further, the pattern matching operator gives you the flexibility for text search capabilities. Like operator performs case-sensitive pattern matching using wildcards. The percentage sign matches any sequence of characters, while underscore matches any single character. ILike does the same but ignores the case differences, similar to provide SQL standard regex pattern matching for complex needs. And for most powerful text searching, PostgreSQL tilde operator access full regular expression capabilities with options for case sensitivity and negation. With this operator, you can write more efficient, precise, and maintainable database code. Thank you, and hit subscribe to continue building your SQL expertise and mastering the database skills.